Hi everybody, I hope you're all well. Someone said to me, how do you cook a chicken in the Ninja air fryer? You had a Ninja air fryer and you always burnt yours. So I thought I'd show you how I cook an extra large chicken in my Ninja. I take the crisper plate out. I don't bother using the probe on this particular one because it's very simple process. I literally stick it in upside down for 30 minutes, turn it round and cook it for a further 30 minutes the right way up, and at that point I always season the top. There's no point seasoning it. I would stick a lemon or some rosemary, whatever I had to hand into it to sort of like, obviously for flavour and smell and all that kind of stuff. But it seems to work. So it's always going in upside down first. That's the key. And then, you know, the rest is quite simple. So you just 30 minutes each side, as it were. So we're going to cook a chicken in the air fryer. This will be our Sunday dinner. And I do feed 5 because is that a cat? Anyway, I can hear kind of screeching. I feed 5 out of this for all us 4, and Valerie, my neighbour, she gets a little roast dinner on every Sunday. I've been doing that for a year now, and it's lovely because, you know, when you're on your own, you're cooking your own Christmas dinner. I've got Christmas dinner on the mind, so that's why I said Christmas dinner. Your own roast dinner is a bit annoying, but if it was, what would be quite a good way is making one roast dinner and then freezing all those 4 portions, you know, so that you could cook it all again. I mean, sliced chicken cooked in gravy, reheated, would work, you know. So yeah, we're going to cook this. We're going to cook it right now. But I need to get a lemon. So yeah, I mean, I'm not doing the ingredients thing because you've literally seen it. So I'll see you in a bit. We're going to be sticking it in the air fryer. See you in a minute. So I'm just going to stick lemon in and some rosemary from my allotment. Plot 25 if you're interested. Right, yeah, let's get this in the raw, upside down. No crisper plating. Right, I'll show you in a minute. I've just got to wash my hands. Right, I'll just quickly season the bottom. Right, I'm just going to stick it on roast at 180. Oops, yeah, for 30 minutes. I'll put it for 30 because I want to catch it at 30 minutes and not go to the cool function of this particular air fryer. And what I like about the Ninja is it does have a very deep basket, so there's lots of there's some give. Depending on what your air fryer is like. You know, if the height is a bit low, it might be not so easy. I'm not sure. Yeah, but you know, most people do roast a chicken in their air fryers, from what I can gather. I have to admit, has anyone cooked a chicken in the Cosori dual blaze? Because I actually haven't done that yet. So I'll be interested to know if you have. Let's just crack on. 30 minutes. And then we'll be turning it over for another 30 minutes and testing the temperature. See you in a bit. So it's just over 30 minutes, so let's turn it over. You can have a look. Right, it's a slightly tricky bit. I hope you can see. So I use 2 forks. I'll just show you. Pierced in like that. And then I'm going to lift. It's not the most elegant procedure, but it does the job. So now it's sitting the right way up. I will press it down if it needs it. It helps not to, you know, burn any skin. So I'm just going to not redress because I haven't done the top, but just put a little bit of, you know, olive oil or whatever you personally fancy. A bit of salt and a bit of pepper. And then we put it back in. And in fact, before we do that, I'm just going to add the 30 minutes. And see you in a bit. So there's about 20 odd seconds left. So I'm actually going to check the temperature. And if it's not too temperature, I will add 20 minutes or so to the time. Oops. Yeah, it's slowing down, so I know it's not going to reach temperature, so that's fine. I'll clean the probe in a minute. I just need to basically extend the time to 20 minutes, and I'm just going to up the temperature to 200. And I'll see you in a bit. 5 seconds to go, so let's have a quick check. I might add minutes if I need to. Let's just see what the temperature says. Oh, it's close, but not quite, not close enough. Okay, so it's had 30 minutes one side, 30 minutes the other, then 20 minutes on top of the existing side. I'm going to flip it again because I think it's the underside, but with most things. I'm just going to flip and add 15. See you in a bit. So a quick check of temperature before I do a kind of last flip, just to crisp up the skin on the right way up. Well, that's better. Yeah, that's great. I will clean my probe in a minute, but I'm just going to flip this so that the skin will crisp up. This is the dangerous part. It might fall apart. Like, wait. Fantastic. Oh, it looks good though. I'm just going to let that cook for the remaining 5 minutes to get the skin crispy. See you in a bit. Not long to go, and I'll be temperature checking it once I've got it out onto a plate, which I've kind of warmed. It's with it sitting on top of the Ninja. Right, check that out. Oh yeah, that looks good. I do like my chicken very well done. Oh, hold up. Let's drain the juice. There we go. Nice. Look at this. I will let it rest for a bit before I kind of cut into it to see how juicy it is. So I'll see you in about 5 minutes. Oh, that looks good. Very nice, very nice. Right, this is our Sunday dinner, so I will do a very small taste test because we've got to feed 5. But really, really succulent. Oh, it's hot. Oh yeah. Mwah, delicious. But I'm going to leave this to rest, and I mean, I think, to be fair, I think next time 190 for 30 minutes upside down 190 the right way up. And then if you need to add minutes to get it to 75 food safety and all that malarkey, add minutes, it's fine. And I did, you know, you can upside down again or just as is. Pretty good though. I did have to add minutes, but you do, this is part of cooking with air fryers. I normally would cook mine, it's been a while since I've cooked it in the Ninja, because I do it in the Ninja 11 in 1, but I used to do it in the Ninja before. And I do like my chicken really well cooked, so I'm flipping it and everything like that. It's all good. I like that. And I like starting upside down, that's the key. So, delicious. Thanks everybody for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Take care, bye.